Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here in North Pointe checking out this pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here in North Pointe at 1923 Savannah Drive. This one is listed for $784,900. This is in the gated first phase of North Pointe called the Palms. Pretty popular with locals because there's no vacation rentals allowed in here, so 30-day minimums, so you could still cater to the snowbird market if that's something you wanted to do. So this whole neighborhood has natural gas and underground utilities. The HOA dues are $225 a quarter. Some nice stonework on the front. Let's go inside and check it out. Eight-foot interior door. Alright guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2006. 2,681 square feet. Again, listed for $784,900. Has tall ceilings in here, 8-foot interior doors. So they've made the front little living area, a little game room. So you have your nice big open kitchen. They just had an open house here, so they had a bunch of stuff out. Here's your main living area. Tall ceilings in here as well. 8-foot slider out to the backyard pool area. Nice stacked stone on the fireplace up to the ceiling. So it's got a big kitchen island. The leathered piece of granite, upgraded cabinets, soft touch clothes. Has a cool like black glass finished fridge. Quartz tops and backsplash. So back on the other side of the house, off the game room, this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other bedrooms on the other. Nice slider out to the backyard pool area, tall ceilings in here as well. So you have your master bath, little soaker tub, glass door, walk-in shower, dual solid surface counters or sinks. Nice big walk-in closet. You also have a toilet with its own door. So at the front of the house, you have a guest bathroom. And another little office. It's not really a bedroom, there's no closet. So down the other side of the house, off the kitchen, you have the other side of the house with another guest bathroom. Guest bedroom. And then you have another little living area. And bedroom number 3. So this could also almost be a 4-bedroom if you wanted to sleep somebody in the little office area. The walk-in closet. So this has like a 3-car garage, and this is the 1-car side that's 25 feet deep with an 8-foot insulated door. So you have an indoor laundry, the beer fridge. All right, so back on the master side is your other garage access. So this is a 2-car side, and it's 31 feet deep, also with an 8-foot insulated door. Got your water heater on natural gas, soft water, and RO system. So back off the living room, you have a nice covered back patio. Nice pool setup, real nice size pool. Has pop-up cleaners, quartz finish, little Baja shelf, some water features, little fire pit, big tall ceiling on the covered patio. They have all their pool equipment covered from the sun. Looks like it's a heated pool as well. They also have a commercial grade 1000 psi misting system around the porch. So it has a little barbecue bar area. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here in North Pointe. Again, this one is listed for $784,900. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.